Hi friends, this is Defensa Info news and information channel. Indian Mirage-2000 fighter jet crashes during training flight. A Mirage-2000 fighter jet of the Indian Air Force crashed during a routine training flight near Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. According to the Hindu, the aircraft took off from Gwalior Air Base and went down in Shivpuri district. Police official Aman Singh Rathore confirmed that both pilots successfully ejected, sustaining only minor injuries. Preliminary reports from the Indian Air Force indicate that the crash resulted from the technical system failure. An official investigation will be conducted to determine the exact cause of the accident. The Mirage-2000 is a fourth-generation multi-role fighter jet developed by the French company Dassault Aviation in the 1970s. This is not the first crash involving this aircraft in India. In 2023, both a Su-30 and a Mirage-2000 were lost in separate incidents. The exact number of Mirage-2000 fighter jets currently in India's service remains unclear as military asset details are often classified and subject to change. Thanks for watching, put the likes, comments and subscribe to the channel Defensa Info.